Hi, this is Neeraj Jaiswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, you are going to learn about UI mask. So to show exactly like what is UI mask and how it works is, let me show you something. I'll add a panel. Now, I'll decrease the size of this panel. Next is, you just add an image as a child to this panel. The whole purpose of UI masking is basically the mask is so that when you want to crop the image and you want to show only a part of that particular image. So this is the image. You just select an image for this one. There's a sprite which I have chosen for this image object. Now I am going to mask it. Mask it means I am going to just show whatever is there in this within this panel, even though the image rect transform is bigger than the rect transform of the panel. What I can do is I can add a component UI mask to the this panel. See, as I add, the area of the part of that image which was outside the panel has been truncated. The image has been cropped. Now if you want, you can basically give us, like, if you, for example, what I can do is I'll just add an image here. See, you can give some special shapes and this particular image will be cropped as per the outline of that image which is being assigned to the panel. So for example, here you can see this particular image has been cropped and being shown as the outline of the image which had been assigned to the parent panel. This is how you use UI mask, and it is very effective and it used extensively in app development. So that's all in this episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.